If you don't have the right washing setup, doing polishing and ceramic coating is almost not even worth it. One of the most common areas where you get scratches is during the washing process, and especially when you're using a garden hose. Now, if there's one place to upgrade your product line at home, it is upgrading from a garden hose to a pressure washer. A pressure washer gets more dirt off your car, so when you go to wash it, you scratch less. So when it comes to long-term keeping your car looking great and not needing to buff it or polish it, a pressure washer is a tool that's going to allow you to keep your car clean without scratching. Now, many years back, Adams Polishes offered our first pressure washing unit. It was a pressure washer 1.0. Then we came out with the second gen pressure washer 2.0, which was wildly popular. Through those years and through that time of learning, we were able to upgrade that to the pressure washer 3.0. This unit is a great standard pressure washer unit. Obviously, I would recommend this pressure washer because I work here at Adams Polishes, but I 1000% stand by this unit. It's extremely reliable, number one. Number two, the output is optimized for detailing and it has a small footprint, so it's easy to put away in your garage. Plus, it's very light and easy to roll around. As we talk about the output of this unit being optimized for detailing, the specs on this are 1.6 gallons per minute and 1260 PSI. So you have enough pressure to blast dirt and grime off, but it has enough water output that you can easily rinse your car after you foamed it and washed it. And here at Adams Polishes, we offer pro grade units. So if you're looking for something that has even more output, make sure to check out our pro pressure washer units. We are going to offer this pressure washer unit in a few different options. We're going to offer it as a unit only option. So if you already have a pressure washer with a steel braided hose and quick disconnects, as well as the snub nose, it makes it very easy to upgrade a current pressure washer unit that you already have. We're also going to have a basic kit. So the basic kit comes with the unit, a 40-foot steel braided hose, as well as a free swivel snub nose. The last option we're going to do is a complete kit. So you're going to get the unit, 40-foot steel braided hose, a snub nose. You're also going to get a premium foam cannon, as well as one bottle of 16-ounce mega foam. The complete kit's a great option if you want everything that you need when it comes to being able to blast your car off and foam it down. In the car care industry, there is a lot of talk about polishing your car and ceramic coating your car. If you don't have the right washing setup, doing polishing and ceramic coating is almost not even worth it, because if you don't have the right setup, you're going to cause damage after you invest all of the time and money into polishing and ceramic coating. Once your car is ceramic coated, a pressure washer makes cleaning so much easier. Now, unlike pressure washers you can buy at brick and mortar stores, Adams Polishes does not offer low quality components to our pressure washers. Our pressure washer 3.0 comes with a steel braided hose. So even if you drive over with your car, it's not going to ruin the hose, but it comes with the quick disconnects that will connect here to the unit, which makes not only setting your pressure washer up easier, but also breaking it down and putting it away that much easier. And our snub noses are absolutely optimized for detailing. This pressure washer comes with your standard pressure washer tips. So you get your 0-degree tip, your 15-degree tip, 25-degree tip, as well as 40-degree tip. So each one of those kind of serves a different purpose. Red, I don't recommend using for washing your car. I recommend that for doing stuff around the house. What people are looking for in their pressure washers, there's different priorities, okay? Some people want the maximum output, meaning the most GPM and the most PSI. We also understand that people don't want their pressure washer to take up a huge footprint. They want to be able to stow it away, maybe in their tool chest or in their cabinets. We offer many different units, all from ones that we manufacture and even some that other companies manufacture, like Active. Depending on what your priority is or what you're looking for in a pressure washer, I guarantee that we have the right option for you. Make sure you go to adamspolishes.com, explore the different options that we offer, find the one that fits you the best, and I guarantee you're gonna love getting out in your driveway, cleaning your car, making it perfectly clean while reducing scratching.